discuss about one topic of light, which is called refraction of light. So, what is refraction? That is also phenomena of light, like reflection. Reflection is also phenomena. So, refraction is also phenomena of light. So, what is refraction? Refraction means now when light. Now consider this is light. There is a light source, and it is coming from one source and enter into other. Coming from one medium and enter into another medium. Then the path of the light wave, it deviates from its original path. This phenomenon is known as what? Refraction. So means the bending of light when it is passing through one medium to another medium. So that is called refraction. So practically we will discuss what is refraction. That's why you can see here is one container, glass container. Using water we will discuss it. So now at first theoretically try to understand. So now consider this is medium number 1. What is medium number 1? That is the medium number 1. Say this is air medium and the dotted region, that is the, you can say, okay, wait. 10 seconds. Now consider this is the rarer medium, so it is the air medium, and this is denser medium. Consider it is water medium. So which is rarer? Rarer means what? The density of the medium is comparatively low than the other one. So this is what rarer medium means. The molecular distance is more than the second one. So that is why you are considering this is air, rarer, and water. This is denser. Like one common example. Here is another one diagram given. Why? Because when light enters from rarer to the denser, then what will happen? And second, when it enters at first water, then water to air, then we will observe the path of the light. Okay. So now see. So when light enters from the rarer medium, consider obliquely incident. Enters from rarer to the denser medium. So what would be the path? Sir, this is the path. Practically, we can say a straight path. Light always travels in a straight line. So it must be a straight path. But practically we can observe when light enters from rarer to denser, then it bends towards the normal. What is normal we know? At the point of incidence, you have to draw a perpendicular to the surface. If I consider here is one surface. Surface means there is the open surface or this is the boundary where rarer medium and denser medium meet with each other. So this is the surface. So here we can draw a normal. And when light enters from rarer to the denser, it bends towards the normal. Clear? When light enters from rarer to the denser medium. Done. Second one, in opposite way. Now consider the light enters from denser to the rarer. So what would be the path? Sir, this is the path. When light enters from denser to the rarer, but practically we can observe the path is this one. Right? Means when light enters from a denser medium to the rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. First, when light enters from rarer medium to the denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Second, when light enters from denser to rarer, it bends away from the normal. देखो ये दूर ही तो जा रहा है ना. So first, जब rarer medium से denser में enter करता है light, that time it bends towards the normal. ये normal के करीब आ जाते हैं. Second one, when it enters from denser to rarer medium, then it's bent away from the normal. ये normal से दूर भाग जाते हैं. So practically we will observe. So let's do it. So at first, let me place the container here. Okay. So you can see this is the container, and now let me use the, you can see, source of light, and see the path. See the path. Okay, straight only, but it's not visible. If we use some smoke, or you can say smoke only, then we can detect the path of light. But now let me turn off the lights at first. All of you better see. It will take 1-2 minutes more, but see this one. Better we can detect it, the path of light. You can see this is the source, and here we can detect the path. That is the path, and which is now straight like this. You can see this is a straight path only. Yes or no? See, there is a straight path like this. So that is also straight path. Okay. So now let me do one thing. Let me put some water inside this container, and we will observe what would be the path. Okay. So you can see the light travels along a rectilinear path. So that is the rectilinear path. Okay, this is the rectilinear path. So there is no deviation. Now let me put some water into this container. Okay, then too much water is required. तो डर लग रहा है कि ये कंटेनर टूट ना जाए. Okay, enough. So let's see. So you can see this is a beam of light. So now let me do one thing. This is the incident ray, and we can see light bends. See, this is the incident. This is incident. You can see that is the path, and it bends towards the normal. You can see it bends towards the normal. See, this is the path. Bends towards the normal. Okay, see, bends towards the normal. Okay, wait, now see. Now we can see the path of light. Wait a second. देखो, it is visible. This is the path, straight path. Then there is the incident point. That is the incident point. This one is the incident point. That is the incident point. So we can see when light enters from rarer to the denser medium, it bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. So where is the normal? you can say this is the normal. This is normal incident. Okay. Now see, this is normal incident. Now you can say this is normal incident. So this is normal. Now for oblique incident, this is the path, straight path, and this one bends towards the normal. You can see. Now see this path and try to imagine along a straight line. And now you can see this is bent towards the normal. Well, now let me do one thing. Instead of normal pure water, okay, let me mix some another components. For example, we can mix some Dettol also to detect the path properly. Okay, so let's do it. Now to detect the path of light, I am mixing some Dettol. बेटा Dettol ही है, देखो this is Dettol only, and now I am putting this much. Now detect. Let's see. Let us see this again, the source of light, and now we can see. Wait. I'll add more amount of data. Let me turn off the light at first. Now see, this is the incident, and we can see the refracted. Incident and refracted. So let me mix it at first. I'm mixing this one, see, and now we can detect the path very clearly. This is the incident ray. This is the incident ray and refracted ray. Incident ray, but now try to imagine the incident line and try to draw an imaginary straight line which is collinear to the incident ray. And now we can see this one, that one, this one. You can see it is, this one is what? Bent towards the normal. If we draw a normal here, then the path will be like this, clear, along this one. It is a straight line, but it will bend towards the normal. Clear? So that is called refraction. Means what? When light enters from one medium to another medium, it bends either away from normal or towards the normal. So when away from normal, now see this situation. Now see the situation. Away from normal. So to detect this one, we have to use some smoke. That is called internal reflection, but we will discuss it later. Now see, using some few elements or few components, a normal thing we can explain it properly. Different phenomena of light. This is a refraction. Now we are talking about refraction. But secondly, when light enters from, first this is rarer to denser, then denser to rarer. See here, this is called internal reflection. Internal reflection. Okay, we will discuss this later. Right now, we are bothered about the refraction of light. Okay. So I hope it is very clear what is refraction of light. So it is very easy. When light enters from one medium to another medium, we are considering air to water. Sorry, we are considering first medium is air, then second medium is water medium. Okay, so light enters from air to water medium, then it bends towards the normal when air to the water. एंड ऑपोजिट केस हम देख सकते हैं कि जब लाइट वाटर मीडियम से पास होकर एयर मीडियम में जा रहा है. सो व्हेन लाइट एंटर्स फ्रॉम denser to rarer, it moves away from the normal. So now make it clear at first. Let me use one scale. Okay, or you can say let me use one This pen also we can use. Consider this is the normal. This is the normal. And now I am using once again the source of light. This is the normal. Consider this is the normal and this is the incident point. Consider this is the incident point. See, this is the incident point. So we can see it bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. If it is normal, then it bends towards the normal. That is called refraction. Otherwise, तो भाई ये तो स्ट्रेट चले जाते ना, स्ट्रेट पाथ में चले जाते. तुम इधर में देख पा रहे हो? You see this one, this point. Now I am using the same source of light, but तुम इधर कोई deflection नहीं देख पा रहे हो. That is a straight line, because the medium is remain same. But now we are considering this is the considered is a normal, and see the refracted ray. It bends towards the normal. So that is called refraction of light. ये क्यों हो रहा है, स्पीड क्या होते हैं, देन व्हाट आर द कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी, फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या रहता है, ये सब हम बाद में बात करेंगे. वन प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल. क्लियर ना व्हाट इज रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो फर्स्ट जब रेयरर से डेंसर में जाता है तो इट बेंड्स टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल, एंड व्हेन डेंसर टू रेयरर इट बेंड्स अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल. देन वी कैन सी वन डेविएशन. व्हाट इज डेविएशन? देखो, दिस इज द इंसिडेंट रे, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. जो रिफ्रैक्ट हो रहा है दैट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. एंड इफ आई एक्सटेंड और इफ वी रिमूव दिस वन, सो इट विल बी स्ट्रेट पाथ. सो एक्सटेंडेड इंसिडेंट रे, व्हाट इज एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन मीन्स अपने ओरिजिनल पाथ से कितना डेविएट हो रहा है, ओरिजिनल पाथ से वो डेविएट कितना हो रहा है. सो नाउ वन सेकेंड, इधर से देखना है, इधर से देखो. Consider this is the incident light. This is the incident light. See. So we can draw a normal here. This is the normal. और अगर ये मीडियम ना रहते तो बेटा ये जो स्ट्रेट पाथ में वो इस तरफ चले जाते, स्ट्रेट में चले जाते, स्ट्रेट चले जाते, स्ट्रेट. अगर ये मीडियम ना होते, दो मीडियम ना होते, ये रेयरर और डेंसर ना होते, अगर एक ही मीडियम होते, जैसे ये स्ट्रेट जा रहा है, देख रहे हो ना, स्ट्रेट जा रहा है, वैसे जा रहा है, और इस मीडियम के अंदर से भी ये स्ट्रेट ही जा रहा है, तो सेम मीडियम रहेगा तो स्ट्रेट ही जाना है इसे. सो सी दिस वन. नाउ कंसीडर दिस इज द इंसिडेंट पॉइंट. वी कैन सी दिस इज द इंसिडेंट पॉइंट, हियर इंसिडेंट पॉइंट. सो इफ आई कंसीडर दिस इज द सोर्स एंड रिमूव दिस वाटर, सो इट वुड बी अ स्ट्रेट पाथ लाइक दिस. इट वुड बी अ स्ट्रेट पाथ. यस और नो? दिस इज द सोर्स, सो इट वुड बी then striking, and then it will be a straight path. Here it will be a straight path, and we can draw a normal here, normal to the surface. This is normal. Okay, here you can see this is the normal. So here if we draw here a normal, see this one, and the angle between normal and refracted ray, it is called angle of refraction. And angle between extended, अगर ये मीडियम ना होते तो ये स्ट्रेट ही चले जाते ना. सो एंगल बिटवीन एक्सटेंडेड इंसिडेंट रे एंड द रिफ्रैक्टेड रे इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन. सो ये क्लियर है ना? ये क्लियर है. ओके, तो हमने कोशिश की तुम्हें समझाने के लिए कि होता रिफ्रैक्शन होता क्या है. नाउ सी वंस अगेन. सो थियोरेटिकली दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे, दैट इज रिफ्रैक्टेड, and this is extended incident ray. So the angle between extended incident ray and the refracted ray is known as angle of deviation. And what is angle of refraction? The angle between normal and the refracted ray is angle of refraction, and it is denoted by R. Angle of incident is denoted by angle I. It is angular. And later we will discuss about the relation between angle I, angle R and angle delta in case of refraction. जैसे रिफ्लेक्शन में भी हमने की वो मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन, सेम प्रोसेस में सिमिलरली विल कंप्लीट दिस पार्ट आल्सो, बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. थैंक यू. आई होप इट वुड बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. अगर हेल्पफुल लगे तो देख लेना. ओके, थैंक यू.